chicken. No, that's not an insult. I'm talking about chicken, as in the stuff you cook with. And while chicken breast gets most of the glory, usually boneless, skinless, I want to tell you a little bit about chicken thighs and 3 reasons why you should cook with them instead of chicken breast. So when I'm cooking with chicken, I like to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And just like chicken breast, these are obviously the bones and the skins have been removed, leaving just the meat. The first reason I like to use thighs instead of chicken breast is perhaps the most important. It's because it's more flavorful. Chicken breasts are popular and they're found in just about everything, but they don't have a whole lot of flavor. They're kind of like the vanilla ice cream of the chicken world. Chicken thighs, however, this is dark meat. And dark meat traditionally packs more flavor than white meat. If you've ever had a Thanksgiving dinner and they ask if you want dark meat or white meat, it's the dark meat that is more flavorful. Same thing with chicken. So by their nature, chicken thighs just have more flavor. The second reason I like to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs instead of chicken breast is because they're cheaper. Whereas a package of boneless, skinless breasts can run like $10, $12 for some of the really good stuff, chicken thighs are usually a lot less expensive. I got this package of pretty good quality boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. These are antibiotic-free, vegetarian fed. This is, some good stuff. And it was $6.05. And that's a really good deal for quite a bit of chicken meat. And the third reason I like to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs as opposed to chicken breast is because they're just as versatile as the breast meat. You can bake them, you can saute them, you can use them as a base for any number of recipes, similar to what we did with our chicken and rice pilaf last week. In that recipe, I used boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, one downside to the thigh meat is that they do tend to be a little bit fattier than the breast. But again, when you've had the skin removed, that's a big part of the fat of the chicken. So once you have that removed, it's not as fattening as if you had the skin on. So those are my 3 reasons for choosing boneless, skinless chicken thighs over boneless, skinless chicken breast. Hey, next time you're working with chicken, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to this channel for more cooking tips, easy recipes, and any sort of kitchen advice. Thanks. Talk to you soon.